many time, let it be any business. When we think about starting a business, first we start thinking how to do this, how to do that. But the question arises where we want to achieve. Most of the people feel like starting their own salon and thinking that it's very lucrative. You feel that investment goes not so high, and as well as the product costs and all, when we check about the pricing of services is much lower. So we think about starting our own salon, but many times we forget to ask our own self what we want, where we want to go, what is the height we want to achieve, what is the top line and bottom line I am looking for. Yes, top line and bottom line, which is a most basic thing when it comes to any business. But when it comes to our business, salon industry, wellness industry, spa industry, many people are not even aware about it. So we have to first start setting a target on the business in the numbers where we want to go. Then we have to plan accordingly. We have to see what is our interest. What is my temperament with people? How much time and effort I can put in? And keeping then in mind, the business plan has to be decided. See, coming out of cosmetology college is something like, they prepare us. They prepare us in a way that we are going for a cross-country ride in an open vehicle. They tell us, okay, there might be rain, there might be sun, and then this is the destination, this is the map. But we are not given the time, what time it can be rain, where it can be sun. So those things which comes sudden, we have to be mentally prepared to face all those things. And then, most importantly, because this journey in an open car can be tedious, but yet it can be very enjoyable. We should be able to have time to enjoy the scenic beauty outside, to enjoy those hurdles, and to give us a sense of satisfaction, which is we are going to get at the end of it. See, basically, anyone comes to a salon to feel good. And feeling good is about being happy. To have that happiness coming and showing into everyone's mind, it is the most expensive thing in everyone's life. To have that happiness coming, we have to make sure that the whole experience has to be perfect. When anyone enters into salon, as it is told by my previous speakers only, we have to make sure from the starting till the time they pay, the experience has to add value not just to their time, not just to their money, but also to their overall experience. They must feel happy. That's a tagline in our salons, what we tell. You have to make sure then a client is stepping out of your salon, that client is happy. Now to enter, when someone is entering, even the service phase, but to send him happy, there are all the components which has to be in the right balance. Let it be your service part of it, your ambience, the attitude of the staff, as well as billing. So keeping all those things in mind, keeping how much revenue you want to generate and how big you want to grow, we have to start planning on the salon. There's a big, huge scope in the mass market as well as in the class market. It's your call, which is your comfort zone, where you want to go and how you want to grow. Now, when it comes to the question of growing, there are various ways to grow. One way, we can start, you are doing a business, you start opening company outlets one by one. The another very beautiful aspect is there, franchising. Either you can take up a franchisee, or what happens, as I spoke about that in our industry, as the government support is still, it's in a very dicey situation. Staff might be a problem. Getting the right type of environment for the industry to go. Though we pay all the taxes, government doesn't give us any leverage in, and if you are successful, you are paying higher taxes. But at the same time, support is not adequate to make it an easy run. So when you go with a franchising option, what makes it nice that you will learn from their mistakes. They have gone through that journey. They know how to protect from the sun and how to protect yourself from the rain. And those knowledge, that expertise, they will be sharing with you. So it's definitely going to be a very helpful step, especially in the stage, in the situation, our industry is to take up a franchisee. And what comes an additional advantage is the support, which is not just in the form of providing you the answers for your questions, helping you out with the location, choosing the right location to getting the right stuff, is the branding and the brand value. Now, when you choose for a franchising option, there are so many people who are ready, but what is the most important thing I feel when you are meeting the person with whom you are going to deal, you must share the same vision. It's never been about money. It should not be just about managing. It's about taking the same cause together and to be determined to succeed. See, even when you take a franchise business, you need to work hard. You have to manage your show. You have to run your saloon. But you are having a support who will be there to guide you. And that guiding will make the journey with less problems, Otherwise, we will be, आज क्या हुआ, आज phone आ रहा है, staff छोड़ के भाग गया, ये है problem, वो है. But this way, those hassles can be cut down, or at least there is someone to share your problems and help you come out of it.